Hey guys, I got the biggest dragon fruit in the world in my dead grow garden. Look! What the heck? Let me go up in it. Whee! Hey yo, let's go this way. Sorry, that wasn't my phone. Please, let's go. Ooh. Look, that's biggest, right? This is the biggest, largest fruit I ever seen. Look at this. Huh?